Hello, welcome back to my lavender pages. This is Bree. I have Mango with me. I don't know how well behaved she's going to be. She'll probably talk through this whole thing. But I just got done working my overtime, and while I was working, my husband came downstairs and handed me this package. So this is the July Sterling Ink subscription kit. Are you going to be loud the whole time? Yeah? Yeah? Come here. Come say hi. Say hi. Yeah? You gonna be loud? She likes my watch. Okay, come up here. Alright, so let's unbox it together. I'm gonna set my bullet journal off to the side. You gotta be careful. This is the first time I've gotten the pretty purple tissue paper. And it is not going to come. I think the heat has made it more of a challenge. Hold on. Yeah, it was really easy to peel these off when it was cold outside. It's not cold outside anymore. So this doesn't make it all that easy to peel up. Oh, no. You can't have that. They're mine. Okay. There. I'll trim that out and use some glue. But yeah, that's going in the book. This is for me. She's like sitting on my chest, eyeing everything down. Okay. And yes, I saved the tissue paper. So, do you want to play with these? Right here? Come play with that. No touching the stickers, okay? Okay, I'm gonna clean that up. Okay, all right. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the vellum. Look, she put figs. So pretty. No, mine. No, oh well, this is gonna work. Okay, let's get this open. No, you can't eat this. Okay. So we have one with a white background. Come up here. And one with like a peach background. Come here, you little stinker. The peach background. I love the colors. I might have to dig out a lighter purple and maybe a teal, because I have this color that I use all the time. Ouch. So maybe I do a teal. Come here, you little stinker. Okay, play with that. So, oh my gosh, so pretty. Yeah, like a lighter purple and a teal. Okay, we're gonna put this off to the side and let's get out the stickers. This is July. You wanna play with this? You can play with that. Okay, start with this little envelope. No. Okay, so we have the July freebie, the July months. This is the freebie. This comes with the subscription kit. The July calendar and Catherine's business card. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's put these back together and we're going to slip them into the little envelope to keep them safe from this little stinker. Look at this. Okay, you want to come here? Come here? No. Okay, so here is our A6 July calendar. You can print these off on the Sterling Ink Facebook group. Gimme, let go, let go. Hey, thank you. We don't eat that. Okay, we don't eat that either. All right, so you can print these off on the Sterling Ink Facebook group. She has them for free. And I haven't printed mine off yet, but I use these when I do my laminate pockets. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Don't even think about it, bird. Okay, so my stickers are on what she calls the clear matte. And they feel like washi tape. It's so cool. Okay, so we have the small deco sheet. The foil deco sheet. Dude, I just said not to eat that. Can I have it back? Can I have it back? No. Let it go. Don't eat that. Here, where's your scrap of paper that I had for you the other day? Here. Here's your scrap of paper. You can chew on that. Okay, these two are the same size. And then we have the mini deco sheet. These are the foiled boxes. Oh, the icon sheet. I love these watercolor swatches. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, then you get 2 days of the week. Don't even think about it. Sheets and the numbers. And these are all the same size. So we're gonna hurry and put them back so that Mango don't eat that. So that Mango doesn't get them. Okay. Now we have the bigger sheet. So this is the bigger deco. And then we have the 2 washi pages. And it looks like she did it again. This one is kiss cut right around here. And these ones are kiss cut too. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, did you drop your paper? You dropped it? Here's your paper. Go get it. Look how pretty. Oh, Catherine, I'm in love. Oh my gosh, are you gonna just sit there and chew on that piece of paper? Can I have it? Can I have it? Okay. So pretty. I'm so excited to use these. Look at that. What do you think? No, you can't eat those. Wow. Okay, that's the Sterling subscription kit on the clear matte. And I'm a little nervous, so I'm gonna end it here. I have Sterling Ink linked down below. The subscription kit is on her website, not on her Etsy shop. So go take a look when you have a minute. Bye!